Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your SENNHEISER EPOS C20. And right here at the right ear cup we have all of the controls. So let's get started with this purple button. It's used for Microsoft Teams. I don't have it right now, so I can show you how it works, but you can answer the call, finish the call, reject the call, and pause the call. Now, next one, we have the slider, is to lower and increase the volume. To lower it, just slide down it, and right now, as you can see, you can also press and hold on it. I mean, slide down and hold on it, and you will also lower the volume. And to increase the volume, just slide up it. And as you can see, also increase the volume. Now, if you press it one time, you will pause the song. If you press again, you will play a song. If you press 2 times, you will play next track. 1, 2. And if you press 3 times, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Also, right here we have a mute button, so it actually makes a lot of things. If you just press on it, you will mute the microphone. To unmute it, press again. But if you press and hold, you will turn on or turn off your headphones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!